Louisiana shit. Murder on a beat. This song for y'all to get real ratchet to tonight, you know. All my ladies in New York City on a Friday night. Alright. Everybody get your... I know shorty and she doesn't want to pay me. Didn't want me, like you're right. Say never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. Alright, ladies, I want to hear you tonight. So...
We kissing in a way, kissing in a way, kissing in a way.
And I'll be a black card.
Cold to the same, cold to the same, cold to
Talk
the
to me.
same.
I'll show you how to network. Hey,
Put your Netflix and chill, what's your neck?
cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for your heart. Make some noise for these lovely ladies tonight, New York City. And make some motherfucking noise for yourselves.
Drake, we already
He was ugly. He did some of the eyebrows.
New York City, I want you to sing this shit with your heart if they ever try to stop you. Say!
bad things. It's a lot of bad things. They race and they race and they race and they race and they race on me.
You know what to do next, right? Hey!
She said, do you love me? I told her,
I only love my
dad and my mom.
$50, I even got it tatted on me. 81 will bring some precious to the... Hey! And you know me!
Turn the 02 into the 03, y'all.
Without 40 Ollie, there be no me. Imagine if I never met the broskies. It would... Say! Everybody in the building, make some motherfucking noise for yourself! New York City, Madison Square Garden, night one. Everybody in the back, I want you to make some noise for yourself. You were fucking incredible tonight. All my people up front, I want you to make some noise for yourself. You were fucking incredible tonight. Everybody on my left side, you went crazy tonight. Make some noise for yourself. And of course, last but not least, right side, make some motherfucking noise for yourself. Man, no, for real, I wanna tell you, I really do appreciate it, you know, coming all the way from Canada, you know, just trying our hardest. You know, you watch the video, we've been at it for a long time as a family. You guys been supporting me, holding me down, listening to the songs. You know, people tried all kind of shit to take me out. People do all kind of crazy shit, but we stick together. I make music for you and you appreciate it. That means the world to me. That's the only reason why I'm on this stage. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I'm a kid from Canada. I got 7 nights at Madison Square Garden. Me and you built this together. It's not just me. So thank you. And shout out to my dad in the building tonight. My dad's somewhere here tonight. Shout out to my dad. And I want to say, before I go, you know, I know we got all kinds of people in here, young, old, you know, the age range is large. So I want to say something to you tonight. It's a weird time in the world. You know, these days when I wake up, sometimes I feel a little uneasy, and it's because of the shit that we see online, shit that we wake up and watch on the news. You know, and it makes me feel sad. We see a lot of tragedy, we see a lot of violence and all that shit. I just want to let you know, I'm really proud of nights like this because we're in New York City, in America. Despite whoever's in charge right now, we got 17,000 people in one building from all races and all places, and all we do is just listening to music, smoking and drinking and having fun on a Friday night. So I just want to let you know, New York City, you should be proud of yourself. I don't care who's president. This is how the motherfucking world is supposed to work right here. I'm proud of you, and I appreciate you. Yes, sir. Make some noise for the migos in here tonight. Make some noise for Tory Lanez. Make some noise for my band in the back, my DJ, and the beautiful dancers that came out here tonight and entertained you tonight.
Where did that shit come from?
And like I said, I'm always honest. So, I will say, even though we have 7 nights in New York City, I don't know if anybody is beating this night one crowd, and I mean that all my life, so make some noise for yourself. I got a long tour coming up, so I'm gonna go bang out these shows, and I'm going to go home, and I'm gonna spend some time with friends and family, and then you know exactly what I'm gonna do next, because we've been together too long. I'm gonna get right back in the studio, I'm gonna make some more music, so we can be right